Hey YouTube, Fran here from Officially Friends, and I am at my mom's house, and today is annual dressing making day. So follow along with us, see what we do to get prepared for the holiday as well as make our dressing for the rest of the year. And I'm putting this one under Janky Projects because you have to see the way that my mother does this dump dressing. Okay guys, first thing first, we have to make cornbread. So here's my mom starting to make the cornbread, and this is why it comes in as a janky project, because of the way that she measures stuff. See her measurement? That's about a cup or two. That's about a cup or two, who knows? This is why we have to come to her house to make our dressing, because she wants me to say 4 pounds. Y'all, she really don't do measurements. I don't even know why she playing. Here go her eggs. There is no counting. There is just cracking and placing. She knows this stuff by memory, and we don't get to know that part. Yeah. It's probably just the whole thing, y'all. There's
8 eggs.
She said 8 eggs, but okay. We're going to try to write this recipe down in the bottom, but I promise you that if she does it later on or does it next year, it will not be the same. That is why this is a janky project. Okay, here go the flour, y'all. Y'all got to see this measuring. Oh, it's called the big spoon. I don't know if that big spoon is 1 cup, a quarter cup. It's however it looks to her when she's done with it. We will never get this recipe, y'all. There is no way that you can match the measuring preciseness of Miss Faye. Do y'all see this? All right, y'all, here go the milk. Look at the measuring cup on that. 1 glump, 2 glump, 3 glump, 4 glump, 5 glump, 6 glump. She gonna mix it around and see if she like the consistency. And if she don't, she's gonna glump it some more. Check it out. Let me know below if your mother or grandmother cooks like this. Have you been trying to follow a recipe, but there's no way that you can do it because they actually just do it by eye? 7, 8, oh, that's just a dump, y'all. How we gonna measure that? You know what? We have to just look at the milk and see what's left when she done with it. Okay, now she's adding some grease.
Oil.
Some oil, I'm sorry. She says oil. Look at that. Look at that measure. I think that might be 1.2. I don't know how many cups. Let me give y'all a shot of this now. Okay, we see what's left in the milk. That's the grease, the oil, and now she's mixing it. For the people out there that do not know the difference between dressing and stuffing, this is the difference. With dressing, you make cornbread first. You then take that cornbread, you crumble it up, you add your vegetables. Sorry, more milk. 9, 10, I don't know, y'all. I lost count. You take that cornbread, you crumble it up. You then add your vegetables, your meat, and your stock, which is, for us, we like cream of chicken and chicken broth. And then you recook that. That turns it into dressing. We also add stuffing seasoning mix like stovetop or pepperidge, and we use that for extra seasoning, but that will go in after the cornbread is done. So the secret to good dressing is good cornbread. So if you cannot do anything else, you have to learn how to make cornbread. And my sister and I can make cornbread. We just can't get it to convert over to that dressing that my mother makes. And again, the reason that we can't is because of her dump measurement method that nobody can actually follow. If there's a scientist or some kind of chemist out there, maybe you can break this down for us a little better. Back in.
Oil. Grease the oil here. Grease. Oil.
I know we're supposed to be helping, but my mama works so fast. Another reason why we can't catch the recipe, that we just jump in whenever she tell us to do something. So my sister is about to oil the pans. And now my sister, you see, we don't have that poor thing like my mama do. This is just to oil, grease the pan. Okay, and in the oven, we got turkey. Again, this video is so needed. Y'all have no idea. Normally, my mother grabs stuff out of the oven, but I think she done burnt her hands so much over the last 20 years. Look, air quotes, that now she actually has a little pair of rubber gloves. But honestly, I think her fingers and hands are burnt and they can take 450. Here is the pour to the cornbread. My mama pours, my sister moves over. She gonna do the shake. See this assembly line going right here? Wait, I got a job. I get to open the oven this time. And the cornbread goes in at what degree, Mom?
450.
450. You know how those recipes say bake for 15 to 20 minutes? Not my mama. You bake it till it look like it's done. Okay, guys, that is the end of the making of the cornbread. So follow us over to dressing part 2, where you can see the next step into finishing up our holiday dressing. Thanks for watching, Fran. See you at the next video.